So, hey, Gabe, watch out. So it looks like either the wind or something came and knocked the hive over, and we are without any bees. They are all gone.
Where's the honey?
Well, I don't even know if we have any honey. It looks like they didn't have much food anyway. Or they may have taken it with them.
There's a bee top. I think you have to build it, Daddy.
Oh, there are some bees in there. Okay, back up, back away. There's some bees in there still. All right, so there are some bees in that hive right there in that box. So I'm going to try and set it real quick and see if you just get it up right here. Okay, boys. No, they're swarming now, so we're gonna stop.